So let's say you're at a party and moments after you arrive, you realize you're starving. At the back of the room, they're putting out delicious appetizers and the sweet smells are wafting your way. You take a whiff and your mouth starts to water. But why? First, what is actually in our saliva? Well, 99.5% of it is water. Although there are big variations, the other 0.5% is made of proteins, lipids, and electrolytes. Electrolytes are positively or negatively charged atoms or molecules such as sodium, potassium, and chloride. That's a lot to cram into 0.5%. 3 main glands and lots of tiny glands produce about 30 ounces of saliva every 24 hours. That's 1 to 1.5 liters of spit a day. For more, here's 2015 Chem Champs contest winner, Hadi Fares.
We produce so much saliva because it plays so many roles. It keeps our mouth and teeth healthy and hygienic, it helps us chew and taste food, and it even starts the digestion process. Enzymes in saliva, like amylase, help break down food before letting your stomach take over the heavy lifting. So it makes sense that saliva production goes through the roof when we're actually eating food. But why do some people salivate just at the smell, sight, or thought of food? Well, the nerves that control saliva production are part of a reflex system. They fire without you consciously thinking about it when you're eating. Smells, tastes, and even the movement of your jaw muscles can activate this reflex.
When you smell, see, or even imagine you're going to eat food, a signal is sent to your brain's primary salivary centers in the medulla to get this party started. And for some people, your brain rings the dinner bell and releases neurotransmitters like acetylcholine and norepinephrine. These chemicals initiate nerve signals telling the glands to produce saliva.
There's some disagreement in the scientific community about how or even if our mouth water at the sight of food. One explanation is called conditioned reflex. As a kid, your brain learns that red glistening thing or that dark brown cylinder, or even for some people, those weird leaves are the source of those tasty smells. So the sight or just even the thought of those foods gets the hypothalamus going and your mouth watering. The catch is, you have to believe you're going to be able to eat these foods you're seeing, smelling, or imagining, and it helps if you're hungry already. Because what's the point of drooling if this is just a silly thought experiment? So your friends' Instagram photos of last night's dinner aren't gonna cut it. Unless, of course, they've invited you over for leftovers.
Do you want to find yourself starring in a reactions video just like Hadi or Jennifer Novotny before him? If you're 35 or under, anywhere in the world, you can enter the 2016 Chem Champs contest. We're looking for younger chemists who can explain their science to non-scientists. Head over to www.acs.org/chemchamps for instructions and the rules. We look forward to seeing your video and maybe working with you here at Reactions.